Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we will explore an essential feature of Creo Parametric, the receiving component interface. To begin, let's define what a receiving component interface is. These interfaces automatically receive and position components that include placing or either type interfaces. They are particularly used for models that require the assembly of parts such as bolt, nuts, and washers. By default, receiving component interfaces are placed in the model tree along with other features and components. Unlike placing interfaces, you do not create them in the footer of the model tree. To move a receiving interfaces to the footer, right-click it in the model tree and select Move to Footer. Unlike placing or either type of interfaces, you cannot designate receiving interfaces as a default component interface. This is because all receiving interfaces are active when you place a component. When you insert a component with a placing or either type interface into an assembly with a receiving interface, Creo Parametric defaults to the interface-to-interface assembly method. Small white circles appear in the assembly. Each white circle represents a receiving interface in the assembly. Select one or more white circle to place component at the interface location. If a component being assembled does not contain a placing or either interface, the receiving interface is not recognized and cannot be referenced. If you do not want to use a receiving interface, edit the assembly method to interface to geometry and select assembly references as required. If you do not want to use interfaces for assembly, click Place manually from the dashboard. Let's proceed with practical demonstration. We have this block and we will assemble bolt by using receiving interface. For that, click on component interface, give any name, from drop down menu select this cylindrical surface and select this top surface. Click done. Now select this insert mate interface, click on pattern and select reference pattern, click OK. Now we will assemble bolt by using receiving interface. You can see these yellow boxes. Select the box where you want to place this bolt. This completes the demonstration. Thank you.